7% of 300? To figure that out, first we have to know what percent actually means. And as we know it, per means for each, while cent is actually a Latin root word that translates to 100. And how many hundreds do we actually have? We have 1, 2, 3 100s. So 100 here, 100 here, and 100 here. And how many in those 100s do we have? 7. So 7 here, 7 here, and 7 here. And adding those all up, it equals to 21. So what is 7% of 300? 21.
How to multiply two-digit numbers by the number 11 quickly. So to start with the number 53 multiplied by 11, you would take the first number and put it at the beginning, the second number, put it at the end. Then you add the two top numbers together, which would give you 8. And this is your correct answer. Next, we can do 81 multiplied by 11. Again, we start by taking the first number, which is 8, and the second number, which is 1. Then we add the top two numbers together, which is 9. Next, we can do 27 multiplied by 11. We start off by taking 2. Next, we take 7. We add them together and get 9, which is also the correct answer.
This is how you divide any number by 5 without using a calculator. So for example, what is 3,421 divided by 5? So to figure that out, the first thing that you're going to have to do is double each of the numbers that they give you by 2. So 6, 8, 4, and 2. And then the last step that you're going to have to do is take a decimal and move it up to one spot. So then your final answer is 684.2, which is
0. An easier way of finding the multiples of 9 is to start by adding the number 0 to 1 from the top to bottom. Then doing the same thing but backwards.